The COVID-19 virus epidemic is the greatest challenge ever faced by the region and by the Pittsburgh Foundation. We started by joining together with the four largest foundations in the region, and each contributed $1 million apiece. The Pittsburgh Foundation, the Heinz Endowments, the Richard King Mellon Foundation, and the Hillman Family Foundations. And from that beginning, we established an emergency action fund to assist the most vulnerable in our region who are suffering during this crisis. And I'm delighted to say that that investment has now grown to $7 million. That $7 million is a fund that is now funding the demands in our community for healthcare, for childcare services, for senior citizen services, food distribution, hardship due to loss of wages, and the need in the public sector for assistance getting medical and public assistance directly to the people who need it most. We are so grateful to the overwhelming response that we've had from our grantees, from our donors, from individuals, from companies, from corporations, and from other foundations. It would not be possible to make the rapid responsive grants that we're able to make right now without the great coming together and the generosity of everyone in our community. It's a moment that we can all be very proud of. It's the collaborative spirit of this region at work once again. We always look to Fred Rogers, and Fred Rogers, who asked us, look for the helpers. The helpers are everywhere. They are those who are providing care for the sick. They are those who are in hospitals and caretaking agencies, caring for the ill. They are distributing food through the region to families who need it. They're mentors working with children who need education, and child care workers and senior care workers. Everywhere we look, there are people who are capturing that spirit that he put into motion. And we find that to be so inspiring. And we aspire to be helpers ourselves. And I hope that this is just the beginning of helping this region through a great trial, and also helping us all to sustain the energy and the healing and the love that we're going to need in order to make it through this trial.